Well, we got a used cargo carrier, well, cargo tray, I guess, from Ryan, and we sanded it all down because it was pretty rusty, but we got all the surface rust off, and now Tony is giving it a nice coat of primer paint. And I'm staying back because I don't want the overspray. So yeah, this is gonna look nice when he's done, and I shall show you. Well, here we are, back at the park. Let me swing you around here really quick. Yep, you've seen this just a few times. But we're here till Sunday, and then we're traveling to Mike in Speculator, Navigation Nowhere. Well, you know all that. I spoke about that earlier. And Tony's sitting up in the driver's seat. And Shane and Emily, we're all going down, visit with Mike. We're gonna have a good day. It's beautiful. About 70 degrees it's supposed to be today. Yay. My nephew is underneath my rig, putting a new hole in the cargo carrier so it will fit. It was a wee bit too short. So he's fixing that up so we have a cargo carrier for our propane tanks. Well, this little girl is going to get groomed. She needs it, don't you think? Don't you think? She is a mess everywhere. So we're going to give her a good grooming job. Right? Right? She's not thrilled about it. Sadie. Sadie. Hey. She says, I'm not turning around. You balded me.
Yeah.
Sadie. Hey.
Look it.
Sadie. Well, we're at Thornbush RV Park in Indian Lake getting propane. Shane is getting filled up in his rig. I filled up already in mine, and there is George, the owner of the establishment. He's a great guy. He's gonna get us all fixed up, and we'll be on our way to Speculator to see Mike. Navigation nowhere. Shane has quite a process here that he has to do to fill up. He's got to undo his propane tank and actually take it out. What?
Probably looking for a tank to do that.
I think in the near future we might think about that. Yeah. Well, here's the flooring underneath the big bed. We're leaving, I know that looks really nasty, but we're leaving, this is the water tank that was under the bed. If I had time, these guys are moving really fast, so I don't think I've got time to even get in there and clean all that, but it is what it is, and they're going to finish putting the beds down. I'm gonna have to finish the flooring because I got all of it done that way and halfway where I could reach. That's the only spot we had in the bedroom. That was it. Now we're gonna have all of this as well, and he's gonna put an end table right there in front of the back window. So yeah, it's coming. I'm gonna get new lamps. Those are just about seeing their better days. Good paint job. Getting our beds done. Mike and Luke are back there doing measurements and cutting, and God love them. They're great kids. I adopted them.
Whatever the side access door is right here, Linda.
Well, look what I woke up to this morning. Yes, it's time to head south. Mike is just finishing up, Mike and Luke are just finishing up the beds, and we will be on the road today. We cut it a little bit too close, but it is what it is, and we'll be on the road today. Look at that. That's snow coming down off the trees. Mike's got a fire going. That is so pretty though. Yes, I hate winters, but boy, that is probably one of the prettiest sights ever. Look at that. Oh, Navi's got all kinds of snow on him. Look at that though. Oh my gosh. Now that is the Christmas postcard right there. Ivan! There's Ivan. There's Mike going in there, finishing up the bedroom.